All right, short but valuable video today. We're going to talk about how to embed custom code into any GoHighLevel funnel or site. First thing you're going to need is whatever code you're trying to embed. Typically, this is going to be something like a third-party scheduling system or anything like that. They're going to give you an embed code. Now, when I say embed code, you'll see just what I'm talking about here in a second. So we're going to jump into GHL, and all you have to do is go to your Sites tab, find whatever funnel you want to put this code into. So I have a test page here. We'll go into our editor, and once we're inside of our editor, we're going to find the section of our funnel that we want to put this code. Obviously here is just a blank page, and right in here we'll click on the add element plus button, and if we just search for code, you'll see this code element right here. Just go ahead and drag that wherever you want it, click on it, select open code editor right here, and paste in your code. So when I said code, this is what I'm talking about. It's going to be an HTML or Java code just like this. Again, if you're embedding a calendar or any other tool that has an embed feature, they will provide this code to you. All you have to do is copy it, paste it in here, click save. Before you publish it, just go ahead and save it, and then click this little I to view it. And here we can see it worked perfectly. So we took that code and then we embedded this custom scheduling system right into a page in GoHighLevel, and you can just repeat that process anywhere you need it. Now, some people get confused here because there is a second place you can add code here in the settings tab, right here in the head tracking code and the body tracking code. The only time I ever use a body tracking code is typically for a chat bot or a chat widget, but GHL has all that built in. And the head tracking code is typically utilized for tracking pixels, like your Facebook tracking pixel, your Google tracking pixel, etc., because that head code is going to apply across the entire funnel. So every single page of the funnel, as is the body code, whereas the code that we just put in here only applies to the individual page that we placed it on. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I've got a ton of free templates and resources in the description as well. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a like. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.